Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today I will show you how to cast annual or Varsaphal horoscope or Tajika horoscope. Tajik is normally used for judging events for one particular year at a time. Now, the year means what? 1st January to 31st December? No. It is your from birth date of a particular year to the next year before the birth date. I am showing you how. In Tajika, the time of solar progress or the time when sun attains the same degrees of longitude every year as it was in the Earth horoscope is taken as the nodal point and horoscope is casted. Now, how to cast a Tajik or annual horoscope in Jagannatha Hora? For that, suppose when you open Jagannatha Hora, you landed in this tab. From this tab, just go to the Tajaka tab. Click here. Now, just enter the year 2022 or 2021 or any year. After entering the year, just click on the Find Tajaka chart. Click here. Now, this is the birth date for 2022. And from here back to natal chart. I am going back to the natal chart. This person born on 21st October 1985. Look at the degree of sun. Sun posited in Libra, 4 degree 26 minute. Again, find Tajaka chart. Here, see the degree of sun. It is 3 degree 56 minute of Libra. Why it is not same as the birth chart? Because of Ayanamsa. Let's go back to the natal chart and see the Ayanamsa. Ayanamsa was 23 degree 38 minutes. Now, go to the Tajaka chart and see the Ayanamsa. 24 degree 9 minutes. So, difference is roughly about 29 minutes. See here. Now, going back to the natal chart. From here, just minus 29 minutes from the position of sun and you will get the Tajaka degree of that particular year. That is, here it is 3 degree 56 minutes. Now I am showing you the calculation settings of Tajaka chart. For that, go to preferences, then click on related to calculation, then going down, click on Tajaka calculation options. Leave it as exact solar motion. Then from this drop down, select the tropical solar year. Remember it. And leave it as Muntafam East Varga chart. Just click on OK. This is the proper settings of Tajaka or annual chart. Hope you like this video. If you have any query, then please write down it on comment box. Thank you.